Black Feniks, man, I'm just coming to you today with a small announcement. I thought of something and I wanted to inspire some of my people that follow me. One thing I learned about the business that I'm in, about any business, if you're trying to be an entrepreneur or a business owner, you got to start from somewhere. But one thing is a fact. Come here, let me show you something. You got to start from somewhere. That's a penny. It is what it is. Everybody got to make a cent. To make that cent, then you got to make that dime. You make that dime, you just made your first dollar. You make your first dollar, you made your first $5. You made your first $5, you made your first 20. You made your first 20, you made your first 100. And once you make your first 100, then you can start making thousands. But until then, you got to start from somewhere. And I'm not stunting on you, and honest, to be real with you, this is bill money, so I'm about to go pay a bill as soon as I get done. But the purpose is, in order for me to make this bill money, I had to get off my ass. I had to do something. So if you want something in life, get off your ass and start off with that cent and end up with some thousands. And I'm out.